Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into HawkEye, a really cool license header checker and formatter checker. It's available in multiple formats, which is awesome! So versatile.
Yeah, I saw that. Multiple distribution forms. That's a key selling point. But what exactly does it do? I mean, beyond the name suggesting it's sharp and focused?
Exactly. It checks and formats license headers in your code. Think of it as a super-powered, automated code hygiene tool. You run HawkEye check to see if your headers are correct, HawkEye format to fix any issues automatically, and even HawkEye remove if you need to get rid of them. Pretty neat, huh?
I see. So, it's command line based. How does it integrate with workflows?
Totally command line. But it plays nicely with GitHub Actions, Docker, and even Arch Linux via Pacman. For GitHub Actions, you just add a step to your workflow using their action. You'll need a licenserkey.com/config file to specify your license and copyright details. It's super straightforward.
That's slick. And the Docker image, how big is it?
Only about 18 megabytes. A tiny Alpine image. That's a huge advantage for speed and efficiency. They also offer a cargo install and pre-built binaries for even more flexibility. Amazing!
Right. The configuration options seem pretty extensive. I noticed things like base dir, inline header, header path, and a whole bunch of include/exclude patterns. It looks very customizable.
You're spot on. The licenserc.tom file lets you fine-tune everything. You can specify your license header file, use inline headers, define include and exclude patterns using gitignore-like syntax, and even customize keyword checks. It's incredibly powerful for tailoring it to your project's needs.
Interesting. But what about the header style itself? Can you define custom styles?
Absolutely. You can create custom header style files. These files let you specify things like the first and last lines, characters to prepend and append to each line, whether to allow blank lines, and even regular expressions to detect the start and end of the header. It's highly configurable.
So it's not just about checking Apache 2.0 licenses. It's adaptable to various license types?
Precisely. The configuration allows you to adapt it to any license type. The flexibility is a major strength. The project's history is also interesting. It started as a Maven plugin and was rewritten in Rust for better performance and smaller Docker image size. A smart move, I think.
I agree. Rewriting it in Rust for a smaller Docker image is a clever optimization. It shows a good understanding of the trade-offs involved in software development. Very impressive.
Absolutely. And the documentation is quite comprehensive, making it easy to get started and customize it to your specific needs. Overall, HawkEye is a fantastic tool for maintaining consistent license headers across your projects. It's efficient, flexible, and well-documented. A must-have for any serious developer.
I concur. Thanks for breaking down HawkEye for us. It sounds like a valuable addition to any developer's toolkit.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.